Um,
Hi.
hi, hello.
Hi.
Nekotown.
Yeah. Would you like 1 hour, 2 hours, a full day, or we have a membership scheme if you'd like to do that.
It's a bit late, so choose quickly.
I don't understand English.
Okay, I'll translate. Hold on.
Thanks so.
Would you like to pay for 1 hour, 2 hours, the whole day, or get a membership? Okay, here we go. 你愿意支付1000小时的费用，还是成为会员？
Oh, you mean, do I want 1 hour inside the cafe with the cats to play? Like, meow, meow, meow? Or 2 hours? 2 hours is 120 minutes. Is that right?
What? It's up to you, really. You're an adult, you can choose.
2 2
No, 9 1 2 3 4 5 6
No,
9
no, no, no. 2
No, 1 2 3 4 12 What are you trying to tell me? Here. I'll help you.
I can't type Chinese.
好的，那你可以吃猫粮了。
好。
Oh no. Only food. Cat, meow, no. No, meow. Only sure.
No.
Okay, cut.
Can't nobody take my pride. Can't nobody hold me down. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. Quit that. You a big cat. Where your chicks at? Where your whips at? Wherever you get stacks, I'ma fix that. Everything that's big dreams, I did that. Don't knock me cause you're boring. I'm record sales soaring, straight touring. Simply a lot of men be wanting to hand me cause their words just don't offend me.